So here's how to make a sticker using Silhouette Studio using the offset feature. So you want to open up a new file. You want to go into the page setup. The page setup is where you're going to turn on your registration marks. This is where you also can go to expand the registration marks area, and that's in the inset. So if you pull it out more, you get a little bit more space, which means you'll have more area to put your designs if you want to do multiple designs. The print bleed is really going to matter depending on the type of cut you want. Right now, we're just doing the cut where you have the white outline showing, so we don't need the print bleed for now. This is where you're going to add your image. So you want to use merge and not open. If you do open, you're going to have to go back and do all the registration that we just did. So you want to do merge, and it'll put it in the inside of the same file that we're working with. Then once you locate your file, you're going to go ahead and size it down. Most of the time it's going to be sized pretty large, so you just want to make it to whatever size you want your sticker to be. And I chose an image where there's a lot of little pieces that it could possibly cut if I don't put the offset on there. So this is where having a white outline comes in handy. Now when you click on offset, which is the little top star button, you're going to want to adjust it. You can take out those little pieces if you want, but if it's already mixed in with your white outline, then you should be fine. You can hit delete point if you want to take out certain parts. But for simple graphics and images, you should be fine with just doing the offset around the image. Now, the other thing you want to do is grab everything and then group it. Because if you don't group everything, it's going to cut each individual piece out as well as the outline. So right now, we just want the outline to be cut. Now we're going to go into the send tab because there's a few extra things we need to do. See how that red is still there? You want to make sure it's only cutting the outside. So you're going to do cut edge. And then when you look back at it, it's only going to show this, the deep red outline is what's actually going to be cut. So everything in the inside is fine. Now the cut settings is really going to depend on the type of paper that you are using. If I use a laminate paper and then sticker paper, I usually use the glitter cardstock option. Another option you could do is sticker paper, depending on how thin the paper is. So I hope that helps. If you have questions, let me know.